welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic muscle cars of all time, the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle. This car is a true legend, known for its powerful performance, stunning design, and timeless appeal. Let's explore every aspect of this classic beauty, from its interior and exterior to its performance and pricing. Starting with the exterior, the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle is a masterpiece of design. The car features the distinctive Coke bottle styling, which gives it a muscular and aggressive look. The wide stance and flared fenders add to its commanding presence on the road. The front end is dominated by a bold grille and dual headlights, which give the Chevelle a menacing appearance. The SS models come with additional features like the cowl induction hood, which not only looks cool but also enhances performance by directing air into the engine. Moving to the side profile, the Chevelle's sleek lines and sculpted body panels are a testament to the craftsmanship of the era. The car sits on a set of stylish wheels, often with chrome accents that add a touch of elegance. The rear end is equally impressive, with its distinctive taillights and a clean, uncluttered design. The SS models also feature dual exhausts, which not only look great but also produce a throaty roar that is music to any car enthusiast's ears. Now, let's step inside the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle. The interior is a blend of simplicity and functionality, with a focus on driver comfort and control. The cabin is spacious, offering ample room for both the driver and passengers. The high-backed bucket seats provide excellent support, making long drives a pleasure. The dashboard is straightforward, with easy-to-read gauges and controls that are within easy reach. The SS models come with additional features like a sports steering wheel and special badging that add to the overall sporty feel of the car. One of the standout features of the Chevelle's interior is its attention to detail. The materials used are of high quality, with options for leather upholstery and wood grain trim that add a touch of luxury. The car also offers plenty of storage space, with a large trunk that can easily accommodate luggage or other items. Overall, the interior of the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle is designed to provide a comfortable and enjoyable driving experience. When it comes to performance, the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle is a beast on the road. The car is available with a range of powerful engines, including the legendary 454 cubic inch V8. This engine produces an impressive 450 horsepower and 500 pounds-feet of torque, making the Chevelle one of the most powerful muscle cars of its time. The car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.8 seconds, and it can complete the quarter mile in 13.7 seconds. The Chevelle's performance is further enhanced by its advanced suspension system, which provides excellent handling and stability. The car features a fully independent front suspension and a solid rear axle, which work together to deliver a smooth and controlled ride. The SS models come with additional performance upgrades, such as heavy-duty springs and shocks, which further improve the car's handling capabilities. In terms of braking, the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle is equipped with power-assisted front disc brakes and rear drum brakes. This setup provides ample stopping power, ensuring that the car can come to a halt quickly and safely. The car also features power steering, which makes it easy to maneuver, even at low speeds. Now, let's talk about the pricing of the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle. When it was first released, the Chevelle was priced between $2,800 and $3,600, depending on the model and options chosen. Today, the value of a 1970 Chevelle can vary widely based on its condition, rarity, and level of originality. Well-preserved examples can fetch anywhere from $30,000 to over $100,000 at auction. Restored models, especially those with the 454 engine, can command even higher prices, sometimes exceeding $200,002. In conclusion, the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle is a true icon of the muscle car era. Its stunning design, powerful performance, and timeless appeal make it a favorite among car enthusiasts and collectors alike. Whether you're looking to relive the glory days of American muscle cars or simply appreciate the craftsmanship of a bygone era, the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle is a car that deserves a place in any collection. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews and automotive content. See you in the next video.